Oppo Find X9 Pro versus Vivo X200 Pro. Both sport 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED screens with 1 billion colors and 120 Hz refresh rates. But Vivo edges out slightly with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, making it the king of visibility even under harsh sunlight. Oppo's display impresses with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, but Vivo's superior brightness ensures unbeatable clarity outdoors, a critical factor for real-world use. This makes Vivo's display the most important highlight here for those who demand vividness anytime, anywhere. Under the hood, Oppo's Find X9 Pro runs on the Mediatek Dimensity 9500 chipset, boasting a cutting-edge 3nm process and an octa-core CPU featuring the powerful Cortex X930 cores clocked up to 3.23 GHz. Vivo's X200 Pro uses the slightly older Dimensity 9400, also 3nm, but with a faster peak CPU clock of 3.63 GHz on Cortex X925 cores. However, Oppo's CPU architecture with newer Cortex X cores offers better efficiency and multitasking potential, making its platform the standout for balanced power and battery life. When it comes to cameras, Vivo's X200 Pro steals the spotlight with a staggering 200MP periscope telephoto lens featuring 3.7x optical zoom, delivering unmatched zoom clarity and detail. Oppo's Find X9 Pro impresses with a versatile triple camera setup, including a 50MP wide and ultra-wide lens, but it can't match Vivo's telephoto prowess. For photography enthusiasts craving detailed zoom shots, Vivo's camera system is the clear winner. Oppo partners with Hasselblad for color calibration, ensuring natural and vivid colors, while Vivo integrates Zeiss optics with T. Battery capacity is a decisive factor. Oppo's massive 7500 mAh battery dwarfs Vivo's 6000 mAh, promising longer usage and less frequent charging. For power users or heavy media consumers, Oppo's battery is a game-changer, providing endurance that can last well beyond a day under intense use, making it the crucial advantage here. Both phones boast IP68, IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, meaning they can survive immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and withstand high-pressure water jets. This top-tier protection is equally matched, offering peace of mind whether you're caught in the rain or near water, so this category is a tie. Memory options are closely matched, with both offering configurations up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM. Oppo offers slightly more flexibility with an additional 12 GB RAM at 256 GB, but the real takeaway is that both provide ample space and speed for multitasking and storage, making this a wash. Satellite connectivity support is available on both, but Oppo restricts this to the top-tier 1 TB 16 GB model, while Vivo offers it optionally depending on the market. This makes Vivo's approach more accessible, giving it the edge for users wanting emergency connectivity without splurging on the highest spec. Price-wise, Vivo's X200 Pro comes in at a more affordable $730 compared to Oppo's $850, delivering flagship features at a lower cost. This price difference could sway buyers who want premium specs without breaking the bank, making Vivo the budget-friendly champion.